Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amazing. Today, I'm going to show you the difference of dough, which I put some lotion on, and dough that you got, or Play-Doh. And we're going to see which one's better at butter knife with the knife. Butter slime. So, first we're going to open the one where we did the lotion thing. So it's probably sticky because I actually added too much lotion, but yeah. It's sticky because I had water. So this one is really, really soft, guys. Okay. It's not scratchy. It's a tiny bit stretchier than the regular one. Also, this one's scented like orange, but it smells really bad. But this one's scented like green apple. Smells really good. Alright, so now we're gonna get the green one out. It's really dry. Alright, so I'm gonna smoothen this out so it's soft because this is kind of unfair. So I'm just gonna soften it out a lot. So we're just gonna soften it. Just squeeze it on the ground. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, now we're gonna roll both of them into a ball. Okay. So now we're gonna try the one without any lotion. So whenever I spread it, goes for a little bit and then it just rips off. So I don't call this one a success. And it's not that soft. Butter slime is really soft. Alright, so this one is way softer. That part's a check. It's not slimy. It's not stretchy that much. But this worked so good. Look how long this goes. Wait, I'll give you this for the reference. I'll try to make this one the longest that it could go to. And look how far this goes. So it's kind of like a fair choice. Not fair, but you all know that the one with lotion. I think all of you guys should try this recipe if you have some dough lying around. It's really easy. All you need to do is keep adding 1 pump of lotion until it turns really, really soft. And it's so good. Except this is the ASMR that's for the one that's with lotion. Pretty good. And this is the one without lotion. Pretty darker. So it depends on what sound Thanks for watching.